The vast landscape with greenery fills my lungs with deep breaths. The freshness of the breath gives me immense joy. The disposal of plastic into the waterbeds and land creates pollution. It harms the aerial animals, aquatic animals, and terrestrial animals. The negligence of the human beings creates agony within me. I dream a world of pure air, water, and land.
I see a shoal of fish leap in the cool streams. I see children are jumping like the fish. A joy of nature flows in my body. Sometimes tsunami runs in and sweeps the children and fish. I lose my dreams. Oh nature, can you show me a way to get my joy back? I want to dream with you.
Colors are the smiles of nature. Nature connects you with happiness and sadness. It connects you to the next score in life. Happy moment. Getting a cat under a tree, greeting meow meow. Sad moment. Seeing the cat dying under the same tree. Birth and death at one place.